Did you check fuel? Yeah? Check. I can be, I guess. Oh, what do you want to do? Just talk about today?
Yeah.
Is this sixth race? Number 6?
Yeah, 6, yeah.
We're here at Tulsa, Oklahoma. The 6th race, first one after the break. Work is hard. Anyways, so we're here in Tulsa for the 6th race, first one after the break. Man, it's hot out here. If I knew this was what I was getting myself into, I'm not sure I would have came out here. Nah, I'm lying. I love this stuff too much. But anyways, we went testing before we came out here. Car ran good. It's acting to be a little bit more consistent now, but you never know till you get on the actual track, you know what I mean? So we're actually at a no prep now. You can test and simulate no prep as much as you want, but you can't always get it exact. So I'm excited to see how the weekend goes, and I don't know, go from there. I mean, the car's a lot different than how we ran it the first 5 races, so I'm excited to see what it'll do.
So you are in the Invitationals already, right?
Yeah, I am in the Invitational. I think I'm like 2 or 3 spots. How bad I did the first half, or the first 5 races, I don't even care. I'm just happy to be in, and can only go up from here, because you can't do any worse than lose the first round every race. So.
You testing today?
Yeah, we're gonna grudge Scott for the first one, and then go from there. We'll get 3 or 4 today, depends on how many they'll give us, and just keep collecting data. I mean, the car's new, you know what I mean? So the more data we can get on it, the better off we're gonna be to compete with all these guys.
There have been some recent shakeups in the team, and I already posted out on my Facebook page. So y'all can head over to the Facebook page and see all the news coming from Tulsa Raceway Pack. And the Facebook page is Upshift 360. So it's Scott gets the win. James on the right board.